What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video. On Pepe, wanted to do a bit of an update today because I actually do think that Pepe has some potential. I mean, if you look at the higher time frame, so what we're looking at right now in the 4-hour time frame, what you can see is that we are still bearish, all right? We have several resistance levels, mainly the one we're at right now. So that's the level right here at like 13,200. But then we also have this trend line and another key level at 14,200. So a lot of resistance, but the thing is that so far Pepe in the last day or so has been one of the strongest performers. So here you can see basically the relative strength over the last like 12 hours or so. And meme coins are actually doing pretty well. And then sure, we have resistance on the higher time frames for Pepe, but then if you zoom in, if you zoom in, it gets more interesting, because then you can see for Pepe that we are actually gaining momentum here. You can see that since basically yesterday morning, open interest has started to pile in. And then you can also see that the CVD is actually positive here. So positions are being opened on Pepe. We see a bit of, or at least yesterday in the later part of the day, and then also sometimes in the night, we saw some relief for Bitcoin. And with a day such as today, when we have a lot of big news, we have the inflation rate, CPI, interest rate, there is a very, very high chance that we can actually get some volatility. And if Bitcoin is actually able, like if we get some positive news results and Bitcoin is able to put in some sort of a bullish breakout, these meme coins are going to rally regardless of the resistance that we see right now. And you can also see on the 1-hour time frame that we are actually gaining some strong bullish momentum and also a bullish market structure. So sure, higher time frames we're looking relatively weak yet, but we have fundamental reason to believe that it's actually possible to get a rally. Now, the main thing to wait for, like to actually act upon this is hard, all right? Because what you're banking on is that, all right, well, we're going to break out if Bitcoin is bullish. All right, so then you're basically gambling on that the news is going to be positive and Bitcoin is going to be bullish. Because if Bitcoin is going to be bearish, Pepe can be the strongest performer out of the altcoins, but all of the altcoins will be going down, all right, just like they have been doing in the last couple of days. I mean, the altcoins since last week Friday have absolutely suffered. So that's a little bit of the difficult part. I would say if we get some sort of a lower time frame break above 13,200, I think we can see bullish momentum nonetheless. But to really get a bigger rally, so something like that I actually do expect, because over the course of today, or at least the next couple of hours, I think bullish momentum is more likely than bearish momentum after the huge sell-off we've seen in the last couple of days. But then to actually break above this trend line here around 13,800 and to break above the next key level at 14,200, I think we need a very bullish Bitcoin, all right? And with a very bullish Bitcoin, I mean a Bitcoin that actually breaks back above 68,000. And unless we see that, I think Pepe can be bullish on the short term, like I said. But then if Bitcoin does not turn bullish, we will never get this major bullish breakout. We'll just get that short-term bullish momentum into resistance, and then from resistance we'll drop down lower. All right, so I'm slightly bullish on Pepe. Like I said, I think short term we can actually get some bullish momentum here, but to ultimately really turn bullish and to rally back up to 15,500 or 16,500, you need to keep an eye on Bitcoin, and that's what you need to know. So if you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.